Please listen to the word. Yeah. This rap shit is a struggle, but the struggle motivates me. The more I climb the ladder, the more people hate me. I guess it's all good, can't let the devil take me. My money running low, baby mama trying to rape me. I try to do the right thing, but people mistake me. I just fall with the leaves, I hope somebody rakes me before the streets takes me. Screaming out for help, but ain't nobody there. I try to find a job, but they judge me by my hair. I'm tatted to my chest, guess they can't help but step. I tried public housing, they denied me right there. Talking about my background, this gon' be a rough year. Sleeping on couches, putting tissues in my ear. No, I'm not ashamed, cause I seen it disappear. Got a couple chains and I got a couple whips. I feel like a slave that ain't never left the ship. Still on this ship, nigga. On my shoulder, I'm only 26, and if I die today, bury me with a split. I wanna be high, I hope he got a zip. Lord forgive me for my sins, it's been a long trip. I never seen a beach, never flew a plane. And when I make it rap, a lot of stuff gon' change. I'ma walk into the bank and deposit everything. I'm tired of selling weed, but my bills maintain. Take being at the bottom to see everything for what it really is, but people stay the same. Plenty ambition, I'ma make it out the game. It's bad sometimes when your dad be ashamed. He told me plenty times, so who am I to blame? So I look in the mirror, in the blood I see my name.